Right, so here's my latest project. It is a Kinroad 650. Right, quite rusty, needs a lot of work, but I'm up for the challenge and I'm gonna start. Well, I've already started stripping it, so hopefully I will get it to powder coat in the next couple of weeks. Powder coating and sandblasting and everything else. So there I've started stripping it all off, started stripping everything, and I'm gonna get it over to sandblasting. And there are some rust. If you look at this as well, there's some rust, so I'll have to do some welding, replace some stuff here as well. Right, so that's the start of the new project. Currently has a 650 engine in it, so there you can see it looks a bit rusty, but I'm gonna get it running. So if you guys have any ideas out there of an engine to put in here, I'm thinking a motorbike engine. It would be fun to have a motorbike engine in this one, but I will, you know, cross that bridge when I get there. I think a motorbike engine will be awesome in here. So watch the space, and I hope you guys, if you guys have any ideas on what engine I should go with, let me know. Right, let me know in the comments what sort of engines you reckon would be suitable. I want something quick that I can play around with. Right, so give me a shout. Thanks for watching, and I'll keep you updated on activities. Cheers. These are just some additional pictures of how it looked like. So the one wheel hub was. So this is the engine. According to specs, it's a 650 Kinroad. So if you guys, I don't have any clues about these engines. So if anybody's got any ideas on identifying it, let me know. Right, so that's how it looks. It's mounted on three spots, front, side and rear, and that's the gearbox. The gearbox there. As I said, keep me posted on ideas, and thanks for watching. Yep. I will be back with some more updates of where I'm at. So please keep the comments coming. If there's any experts on, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Cheers.